Hi, I'm Anne. I'm an artist with the Beat Carnival Centre. I would like to show you how I made some paper plate birds. They're quite simple and they're very bright and they're quite good fun to make. So you probably have everything that you need at home, but I'm going to be making up a little art pack for you to make sure you have what you need. I've made a few samples. There we go. And I'll show you how I did it. So, to make the Kingfisher, I got a plate. I folded it in half. Now, most of them I just used half for the body. So I'm going to start off with the tail. It's back into the head. I'm going to cut out the beak separately, so I'm not going to worry about that at the minute. And that's his tail. And down round for his tummy. And then back up for his head. Sort of bird-like. And now with the other half, I'm going to cut two wings at one time. So I'm just going to go like that. And then separate these two bits. And they're sort of wingy looking. And now from the offcuts, I am going to make a beak. That. And that's fairly good shape. So I found this chalk marker and I thought I would try it out. Kingfishers have little white dots on top of the blue. So I'm just going to give a few dots. Then I'm going to attach his wing. You can use glue or a stapler. I'm going to glue this on. And I think it might look quite good like that. So I'm going to bend that over just so that it's up in the air. Looks like it's in flight. And then that looks quite good like that. So maybe just put the glue there. And then I've done his beak, so I'm going to stick his beak on with a bit of glue. And just because it looks quite good if he's flying, to have a little bit of string or ribbon. I'm going to hang these from his tail. These are just optional extras. So I'm going to staple that on, but you can glue it also. And then finally add an eye. So that's a good eye. And on that goes. So there he is. Now, just roughly what I did for the toucan was it was slightly more than half the page, so that was half the paper plate. Then what was left I cut in two, and that did for the wings. For the rainbow bird, I doubled over the plate and cut out a tail, head, body, and then what was left of the plate I cut out double wings and cut them in half. I just fixed them behind him. The pink bird was half the plate, like the Kingfisher, just a sort of birdie shape, and cut out double wings from what was left over. And the same with the swan. I used most of half of the plate and used the curve for the neck and what was left for wings.